Hi, I'm Cammie, Vice President for Adventist World Radio. March 13 is a special day for us this year, as it is our Global Offering Sabbath where you can support the work that AWR is doing all around the world.
My name is Dr. Dwayne McKee. I'm President of Adventist World Radio, and I want to thank each of you for your wonderful prayers and support for AWR.
This year is our 50th anniversary. God has given us so much to be thankful for. Here are just a few highlights. We have new radio stations in Paris, France, and Kinshasa, Congo. This means we are now broadcasting to the 2 largest French-speaking cities in the world. Our worldwide team uses cell phone evangelism to spread the 3 Angels messages to over 200,000 people weekly. Our 5 shortwave towers in Guam continue to broadcast the Adventist message to over 1/3 of the world. AWR 360 broadcast of baptism is perfectly illustrated in the Philippines. After 4 years of broadcasting, along with boots on the ground missionaries, a 50-year terrorist war is coming to an end as rebels are laying down their AK-47s and being baptized. I'm thrilled to have just completed my online series, Earth's Final Countdown, and I invite you to join thousands in watching at awr.org/Bible.
Now let's hear what Cammie's been doing during lockdown from her living room.
AWR responded to our world's pandemic in the spring of 2020 by launching an online evangelistic series titled Unlocking Bible Prophecies. These 14 end-time episodes have received over 7 million views collectively from the social media channels of AWR and the General Conference. There was 1.5 million views across Russia alone. This series is currently being translated into over 40 languages. TV stations from the Philippines to India are airing this series on their local channels. Our goal with AWR and as Adventists is to have our Bible-based messages show up on the first page of Google and YouTube searches. Google the phrases Second Coming, Mark of the Beast, Sabbath Day, and Bible Prophecies. And praise God, our videos continue to rank in the first spots of these search results. Testimonials pour in daily from almost every continent of thousands of baptisms, from high priests to hired hitman. Here's just one of the amazing stories. In an undisclosed country, we meet Liam. He is a powerful and top commanding officer in the Army and has complete control over all military operations, daily carrying out the wishes of the country's dictator. Recently, someone began sending him video messages straight to his cell phone. These messages spoke of a God of love and forgiveness, a God who could change lives. At first, Commander Liam was annoyed that someone had found his private phone number and was sending these videos to him. But then he found out it was a friend of his, and so decided to watch. Pretty soon, he was hooked. Unbeknownst to him, he was watching AWR's Unlocking Bible Prophecy series, and each presentation was more compelling to him than the one before. Over the years, Commander Liam had made many enemies, so to protect himself and his family, he hired a witch to cast spells on them. She was very powerful, and he came to rely on her. One night, as Liam was watching one of the AWR videos, his witch found him and commanded him to stop and listen to her. She exclaimed, "This woman you are listening to has a magic more powerful than mine, and I need that power." The commander invited her to watch the messages with him, and as of February 2021, we are thrilled to report that they are both now taking Bible studies and are connecting with our local AWR evangelists in the field. If you feel impressed to give, there are several options. 1. Mark your envelope with AWR so that these funds go directly to Adventist World Radio. 2. You can also easily donate online at awr.org. And 3. Select Adventist World Radio on the Adventist Giving website or app. Whatever amount you give goes to the front lines and supports work of winning souls all around the world. I would like to thank each of you personally for continuing to support the work of AWR, the ministry that goes wherever air goes. With God, there are no walls, no borders, and no limits. From broadcast to baptism, this is AWR 360.